If you've ever needed to iron one tiny thing and then had to drag out a giant full-size ironing board, this is going to make your life so much easier. But honestly, that whole process was just driving me crazy. I was so tired of pulling out this big, bulky ironing board just to iron a sleeve, touch up a shirt, or smooth one small item. It felt like such a production every single time. I wanted something smaller that I could just set right on the counter and use quickly without rearranging half the house. And this ended up being the perfect solution. This is the BlissBoard mini folding ironing board, and it's compact but surprisingly functional. You get the tabletop ironing board, heat-resistant cotton cover and pad, and even an iron holder built in. When open, it measures about 31 by 12 inches, but it folds down super compact for storage. This would be great for apartments or small spaces. It features a cushioned seamless ironing surface, metal mesh panel for heat dispersion, durable metal frame, and non-slip feet so it stays stable while using it. What I love most is how easy it makes quick ironing jobs. I literally just pop it open on the counter, use it, fold it back up, and tuck it away. No giant setup, no frustration. It's made ironing feel way less annoying and way more manageable. And if you're wondering whether something this small is sturdy enough, it actually feels really stable because of the non-slip feet and metal frame. Plus, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or small laundry rooms where space really matters. If you want to simplify laundry day and stop dragging out giant equipment for tiny tasks, I definitely recommend this.